first thing I like to do is take my original values of 0. Notice that they were the first, third, and fifth points on my parent function. Well, that means they need to be my first, third, and fifth points of my child function. Now remember, my parent function had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key points. Again, the first, third, and fifth were at zeros. First, middle, last. The second point was at a maximum, which means that this child's wave's second point needs to be at a maximum. The maximum was between the first and third dots, so between the first and third dots on my child would be right here, which means that this is a value of pi over 4, and there's my maximum. My minimum value for my parent function was here at 3 pi over 2, the fourth dot, which fell between the second and third zeros. So between the second and third zeros on my child function would be right here. If this is 1/4 pi, 2/4 pi, then this one must be 3/4 pi, which we write as 3 pi over 4. And again, that needs to be my minimum at -1. I can draw in that nice smooth wave. And look, there's one wave within that period. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the second period from pi to 2 pi. My first, third, and fifth dots need to be zeros. My second dot needs to be a maximum, right smack dab in the middle. My fourth dot needs to be a minimum, right smack dab in the middle here. Let's connect those, and the last thing we'll do is the math to figure out how to label them. 1/4 pi, 2/4 pi, 3/4 pi, 4/4 pi. That would make this 5/4 pi, which we write as 5 pi over 4, 6/4, and 7/4 pi, which we write as 7 pi over 4. And I have now done the child function, y equals the sine of 2 theta, with 2 full waves from 0 to 2 pi.